Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is go to your App Store. Next, press your profile on the top right corner. After pressing your profile, press the profile again for your account settings. Then you will see your subscriptions. Press the subscriptions. In here you will see all your subscriptions, and you will see YouTube TV subscription in here. Then you can cancel your YouTube TV subscription. And that is how you cancel your YouTube TV subscription.